Good morning students, class 7 chapter number 8 comparing quantities. In the previous video we have just complete chapter number 9 lines and angles, and it is the chapter number 8 in a very interesting chapter and very easy also. Comparing quantities we use for comparing, mostly we use greater or less. कि सपोज हमारे पास दो नंबर लिखे हैं 400 and 300, so we can say that 400 is greater than 300 या 300 is less than 400. So it is the word we use for comparing. But ratio also a word for use for comparing quantities. For the ratio we have already discussed in the previous class. Ratio is written as A ratio B, in which A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. So in the exercise we discuss question solve करेंगे related to ratio, and for the ratio we discussed in the previous class. Now we start exercise 8.1. First you know that A is antecedent and B is consequent. Okay student, now start exercise 8.1. In the exercise 8.1 there are four informations are given. First information, salary of Jatin rupees 40,000 per month. Amount spent by Jatin rupees 30,000. Salary of Jatin's wife rupees 35,000 per month, and amount spent by Jatin's wife is equal to rupees 15,000. So after this information we have to solve first part. In the first part we have to find out ratio between Jatin's salary and his wife's salaries. So in the first part, required ratio. Firstly we note down Jatin's salary, it means rupees 40,000 ratio rupees 35,000. It means 40,000 upon 35,000, and it is 40 upon 35. Both are divisible by 5. 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40. So required ratio is 8:7. I sure first part is clear. Now we try second part. In the second part we have to calculate ratio between Jatin's saving and wife's savings. So firstly we find out Jatin's saving, कि जतिन कितने पैसे सेव करता है. It is Jatin's salary and it is Jatin's amount spent. So simply rupees 40,000 minus rupees 30,000, and it is rupees 10,000 Jatin's saving. Now we have to find out Jatin's wife's saving. Rupees 35,000 minus rupees 15,000, and the value is rupees 20,000. Now we have to find out required ratio. Required ratio, we have to find out ratio between Jatin's saving and his wife's saving. So Jatin's saving, it means rupees 10,000 ratio rupees 20,000. In the simplify 10,000 upon 20,000, and the ratio is 1:2. So it is the required ratio. Now we simplify its third part. In the third part we have to calculate ratio between total salary and total expenditure. Firstly find out total salary. Total salary, rupees 40,000 is the salary of Jatin and rupees 35,000 is the salary of Jatin's wife. So their addition is rupees 75,000 यानी कि 75,000. Now we have to find out total एक्सपेंडिचर, यानी कि उन्होंने कुल कितना खर्चा किया। ₹30,000 spent by Jatin and ₹15,000 spent by Jatin's wife. So ₹1,445,000 total amount expenditure. So we have to find out required ratio. Required ratio is equal to ₹75,000 ratio ₹45,000. 75,000 upon 45,000. 75 upon 45. Both are divisible by 5. 5 9 ja and 5 15 ja. 15 upon 9 both are divisible by 3 again. So the required ratio is 5:3. I showed the question number 1 is clear. Just note down. Okay student, now we discuss question number 2. In the question number 2, 200 gram coffee cost ₹36. 200 gram coffee की cost ₹36 and 250 gram tea की cost ₹40. And we have to find out ratio of the price of the tea to coffee. हमें टी एंड कॉफी दोनों के प्राइस में रेशियो फाइंड करनी है। वैसे दोनों का प्राइस हमारे पास ऑलरेडी गिवन है, बस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट रेशियो। बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? द क्वांटिटी इज नॉट सेम. इट्स मीन ₹40 is the price of 250 gram tea and 36 is the price of 200 gram coffee. So firstly we have to same these two quantities. अभी दो क्वांटिटी सेम कैसे होंगी? For this procedure we have to find out LCM of 200 and 250. LCM mean we have to find out a number, smallest number which is divisible by in these two numbers, and obviously the number is 1000. So we have to find out cost of coffee and tea both for 1000 gram. 1000 gram mean 1 kg. So we simplify first sentence. Cost of 200 gram coffee equal to ₹36. Using unitary method, cost of 1 gram coffee ₹36 upon 200 and cost of 1000 gram coffee, it's mean ₹36 multiply 1000 upon 200 and it is ₹36 multiply by 5, it's mean ₹180. So it is the cost of 1000 gram coffee. Similarly we have to find out cost of 1000 gram tea. Firstly we note down cost of 250 gram tea. It is ₹40. Cost of 1 gram tea ₹40 upon 250. Cost of 1000 gram tea, it's ₹40 multiply 1000 upon 250 and it is obviously ₹80. तो 1 किलो टी कितने रुपए की अवेलेबल है? ₹80 की. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट रिक्वायर्ड रेशियो. Required ratio. According to the question, we have to find out ratio between price of the tea and price of the coffee. So firstly we note down price of the tea. It's mean ₹80 and ratio ₹180. For simplify 80 upon 180, 8 upon 18 both are divisible by 2. So the required ratio is 4:9. So I show question number 2 is clear. Just note down.